Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. This video is the continuation videos of our tissue topic. Already we have done the plant tissue, and from the last video we have started the animal tissue. So let us move towards the animal tissue. So you know that, student, what is meant by tissue? Tissue is the bunch of the cell together and they perform the particular function. It's called as the tissue. We have seen in my previous video there are four types of the animal tissue: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. As per their structure and function, the animal tissues are divided into four types. In the last video already we have done epithelial tissue. Means you know that, student, epithelial tissue is the tissue which is present on the outer surface of the body like a skin, and as well as it is present on the lining of the internal cavity. Got it, student? And what is the main function of epithelial tissue? Protection. It protects the entry of the germs in the body. It also protects the injury. It also protects the bacteria. Okay. Absorption. The tissue which is absorb some nutrient. The tissue is secrete the the sweat gland secrete the sweats. Okay, and it is also sensory. Got it, student? In that video we are going to study about that the types of the epithelial tissue. In my previous video already I explained about that the epithelial tissue. So you know, student, epithelial tissue, the tissue, ऐसे टिश्यू बेटा जो हमारे आउटर सरफेस द एपिथेलियल टिश्यू is present outer surface of our organs like a skin, some internal organs, their outer surface is also present the epithelial tissue. In my previous video also I explained all function and structure of epithelial. It is present, this tissue is lie on the basement membrane. They are barrier of the mechanical injury. They provide the surface of absorption, secretion. They transport the molecules, and means the epithelial tissues are closely packed to each other like that. Means there is no intercellular space are present in between the two cells. Got it, student? And the epithelial tissue, on the basis of the shapes, the cell of the epithelial tissue is classified into four types. So let us see the types of epithelial. In the previous classes also I explained about this. There are four types of epithelial tissue: squamous epithelial tissue, cuboidal epithelial tissue, columnar epithelial tissue and ciliated columnar epithelial tissue. There are four types of the epithelial tissue have in our syllabus, and we have to study about that the four types of the epithelial tissue. समझ में आ गया बेटा epithelial tissue क्या है? ऐसे टिश्यू बेटा जो हमारे आउटर सरफेस पे प्रेजेंट होते हैं like our skin are continuous sheet of our body. It cover the internal organ. Some internal organs like our stomach, their outer surface is also present the epithelial tissue. समझ में आ गया बेटा? On the basis of the shapes, the epithelial tissue is divided into the four types. Got it, student? First of all, we see the squamous epithelial tissue. See, student, the squamous epithelial tissue is present, means it is very single layer of the tissue. It is flat tissue, means see, they have given the structure. See, student, the squamous epithelial tissue, it is irregular in shape. Means see, it is not cube-like, not a sphere, not a cuboidal column. It is a irregular shapes, and it is a single layer of the tissue. It is called as the basement membrane. Means the tissue which is lie on the basement membrane. See, this is a single layer like it is compare our floor, the tiles of the floor. You know, only single layer of the floors in a single layer of the tiles on the floor. Means there is a basement membrane, and the single layer of the squamous epithelial tissue are lie on the basement membrane. Means the basement membrane, it provide the nutrient It provides the necessary things which is required the epithelial tissue, and it is also keep away from the squamous epithelial tissue to another tissue. Understood student? Means beta the squamous epithelial tissue कैसे होते हैं? Irregular in shape, means it have a no actual shape. Got it? There is no intercellular space. इनमें intercellular space नहीं होता बेटा. It present the nucleus. The nucleus is present in center. There is a cytoplasms are present in it. Understood? And it is like that. Means see, in our room there is a floor and the tiles are present. Means single layer of tiles where lie at home. Got it student? And what is the function of the epithelial tissue? It is present, means first upon we see the location. It is present on the wall of capillaries, means you know blood capillaries. Blood capillaries पता है बेटा, which carry the blood in our body. Inner means the squamous epithelial tissue. देखो बेटा, in our body there is a capillaries. Arteries, vein, capillaries is the one kind of the blood vessels. Capillaries, it is very small blood vessels and which is made from the single layer. Got it? And it is also present in the body cavity. समझ में आ गया? What is the squamous epithelial? Again we will revise. It is the single layer flat cell. These cells are lie on the basement membrane like our styles. Got it? The nucleus present in it, cytoplasm present in it, and the main function of squamous epithelial tissue is absorption, filtration. Got it? There is a single layer like our skin, and the location it is present in the wall of capillary, in sac of our lung. In higher classes you have to study about that. In our lungs have a alveoli, and these alveoli is made from the single layer of squamous epithelial tissue. Got it student? What is mean by squamous epithelial tissue? Next type of the epithelial tissue is a cuboidal epithelial tissue. Cuboidal means as per the name cube like structure. See like that. You know cube means this like that structure of the cuboidal epithelial. It is also single layer of the cube shaped cells. These cells is also present, means these cells also lie on the basement membrane. This cell is also nucleus are present in center. The cytoplasms are present in it. Understood student? This is also single layer cube like structure, and the shape of the cuboidal epithelial is a cube like structure, and these cells are main function of the cell is a secretion, transportation and filtration in the kidney. Means secretion, we know in our body have a salivary gland, thyroid gland. Salivary gland secrete the saliva, thyroid gland secrete the thyroxine hormones. Okay, the main function of cuboidal epithelial is a secretion, and these cells are present in the pancreas, salivary glands and covers of the ovaries. Understood student? You just keep it in our mind student. The epithelial tissue which have the cube like structure, this tissue is called as the cuboidal epithelial. It is also single layer of the cube shape. It is also lie on the basement membrane. Nucleus are present, cytoplasm is present. There is a no intercellular space are present in between the cell. It is the closely packed to each other, and main function is a secretion. Understood? Next type of the epithelial tissue is the columnar epithelial. As per the name, the shape is like a column like shape, like that. See student, like that shape. The column like that shape means the length is a more than the width. This is elongated. It also centrally nucleus are present in it, cytoplasms are present in it, and the main function of columnar epithelial is also absorption, protection and secretion. When they open the body cavity is called as the mucous membrane. It is also called as the mucous membrane. समझ में आ गया बेटा? Means जो epithelial tissue column shape होते हैं, this tissue is called as the means cylinder like shape, tube like shape. It is called as the columnar epithelial, and these cells are present. This cell is also lie on the basement membrane, and this cell is also present in the inner line of the intestine. Got it, student? Columnar epithelial. Next type of the epithelial tissue is the ciliated columnar epithelial. Means the tissue is like that, column like that structure, same column like that structure. But what is the difference? It is also lie on the basement membrane. It also nucleus are present in it. Cytoplasms also present in it. But what happened? On the column are present the cilia. Hair-like projections are present over the column. This is also called as the cilia. This is also single layer of the rectangular cells, and cilia are present on the column. These types of the epithelial tissue is called as the ciliated epithelial tissue, and this tissue is present in the windpipe, trachea. These are the respiratory parts of our body. Means see, in our nose there is also ciliated epithelial tissue. Means cilia are present on the column, and what is the main function of the cilia? It also prevent the dust, germs to entry in our respiratory tract. Got it, student? What is meant by epithelial tissue? And on the basis of the shapes, there are 4 types of the epithelial tissue: squamous epithelial, cuboidal epithelial, columnar epithelial, and ciliated columnar epithelial. Understood, student? In the next video, we will going to see the next type of the animal tissue is the connective tissue. Understood, student? Thank you.